Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start the new topic in logical reasoning, which is directions. And first we have to draw the direction while solving any question related to the direction. The most important are the four directions: north, east, south and west. We have to draw this while solving any question, and the direction between the north and east is northeast. Similarly, between the south and east, southeast, southwest and northwest. You can remember these by using the word nest, but like NES, but instead of T you have to write the W, that is west direction. Then the next terms are clockwise. How our minute hand or hover hand moves or rotate in our clock, it's in clockwise direction, and opposite to that direction is anti-clockwise direction. When person is moving towards the north, east, south and west, how to represent when he moves towards the left and right? By using these diagrams, these four diagrams you have to remember, so that your work will be easier and correctness also improved. So without any further delay, let's start with the question. The first question is: Peter walks 5 kilometers towards the south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. What direction is he facing right now? So while solving any question, first you have to draw the starting position. Here we can point it as P. Now draw these one by one. Peter walks 5 kilometers towards the south. South means he moved towards the downward direction and by 5 kilometers. So draw it like that. Then turns to the right. He is moving towards the south, that is downward direction. So how can we move towards the right? By using this diagram we can clearly say that how to move right here. So Peter moves right by 3 kilometer, because after walking 3 kilometer, here they have clearly says that after walking 3 kilometer, that is he moved towards his right by 3 kilometer. Then draw it. Then the question said that he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometer. Now he is facing the west direction, and the left of Peter is like this. So we have to move, like draw by downward direction and 5 kilometer. So the question is, what direction is he facing right now? We can clearly see that the direction is south direction. So the answer is south. Now let's discuss the second question. Deepak walked 20 meter towards the north. So draw first the Deepak starting position and 20 meter towards the north. So draw it like that, 20 meter towards the north. Then he turned right and walks 30 meters. You have to remember that when we have to move towards the left or right, you have to see that these four diagrams, so you can solve any question easily. So now then he turned right and walks 30 meters. Draw it like that, and the distance is 30 meters. So draw somewhat bigger than the 20. That is, the line of 30 should be somewhat greater than the 20. Then he turns right and walks 35 meters. By horizontally we can see that the 20-meter distance is this, and more 50 meter, that is we have to make 35 meters. So draw it like this. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. So now he is facing the south direction and the left of Deepak is this. Draw and 15 meter. The distance is there. So the question is, in which direction and how many meters is he from the starting position? We can see that the direction he facing right now is east direction, and if we see from the starting position, we can clearly see that the first distance is 30 meter and plus, then the second distance is 50 meter. So 30 plus 15 equals to 45 meter. In this way you can practice the question related to the direction from the India Bix. By using these tricks you can solve the question of direction easily. So see you in the next video with more such topics and new tricks. Till then, keep learning and be happy.